Hey guys, we're going greasy. This is like, I think, 10th time I record this. Like, actually. Just because, like, we get really far. 3 times of this we got second. Oh, that was so sad. I carried the whole team. Like, it was duos before this. So I'm gonna film squads right now. We're going some greasies. Guys, come with, yes, always what comes with me. I'm going Tiki Head. You go Doghouse. Yellow go Doghouse. Yellow is it's my friend. It's my Dutch friend. Go Doghouse, Yellow. I don't want to say his name because it's a Dutch name and like you guys won't understand it, so that's why. That's why I call him Yellow. Sorry if I'm just standing still. Some bastards out there eat it. Okay guys, I just got a green AR from my friend Mandlol. I had to stop the recording just like 15 minutes. I can record 15. Guys, someone have a shotgun for me? It's good to be shot. Yo, what did they do? I just want to chop it down right now. That's a pistol. Boom, boom, chucking grenades. They should bring out soaring squads, not soaring solos. Soaring squads or soaring duos. No, soaring squads. Mostly of the time if I make a vid, it's gonna be or playground or squads. I just don't think the people I play with are ready for this. People at the cube. So loot lake. Just got one guy knocked. Someone shotgun. Might as well just look in. Always be careful of trash. Oh, I don't have that one yet. Yo, it's gonna be a llama. Shotgun. I need a shotgun. I'm gonna carry your whole team. Yo, I think these people we're playing with are trash. What do I have? No, I need a shotgun. The Ragnarok. Shotgun, please. Shotgun. 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 Nope. Hey, Diva. Hello there. I gotta get some content. Guys, I'll still upload this because I'm getting, like, bored of recording. Like, how long? I think I'm recording 2 hours already. It's insane, dude. How much time this takes. Oh, people! I might as well just put the, no, this one. Tilt the towers, come. Oh, shotgun. Sweet. Don't shoot him yet, guys. I got a scar. Come to me, guys. Come to me. Revive, revive, revive. Take your bandit. Oh, these two noobs. Oh no. Ivan, I'm gonna do this for the content. Oh, they're reviving each other. Oh no. Guys! Defaults! One of those defaults just stole my kill there before, but okay. Oh, that was a spawning. Come here right now. I need some more meds. They could do it with their tactic. Oh, run! Run, 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 run! We have... Do you have a sniper for me? I'll leave him behind. Just said... I'm gonna open the chest. My chest. Guys, spectate us. We'll get a dub. I know, I'm not sure. Ah! Don't tell me. Oh. If you guys saw that lag spike, type RIP in the comments if you saw that. Oh, I got some bandage. I got some bandage. I got bandage. Oh, rift! Take the rift! Wait, don't, wait for me. Wait for me. Dude, I was getting hyped, you know? I don't know why, but if I hype, I do the thriller. Fortnite, please don't lag. Oh, no. Go to your right. Go to your right. There's people down there. Oh, I forgot it's squads. I forgot, and I'm lagging really badly because of the video program. Oh! 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 Yo! Someone sniped him. I'm lagging way too badly. Should I win this with bush camping? I don't know. What should I do? Could take this thermal. I might win with this. I'm gonna win like this. That's how fast you edit, like. I'll get you up. I might win with camping, guys. I don't know. Should I win this with camping? Look at my lag. Just because of your, like, the video. Hello there? That's what we know. We don't want to come over there. We know there's people there. Let's try to get there. 18 million bullets. Those people just have to fight the zone, you know. Is that a galaxy? Is that? If there's, oh, no way. Oh, if that's one person, I can push him really good, but I have to know how many people those are. No, it's not. It's way too dumb to push that. I just skipped him really badly. Oh! Oh. Tactical Zoe alarm. Oh, I'm getting. I wanna go in really in the tree. Uh-oh! My mommy told me bush camping was not a good idea. Will it end like this? Me lagging. Or will it end like this? Yeah.